When most automakers are sprinting towards smaller turbo engines and full electrification, Ford just did something bold. In recent statements and strategic briefings, Jim Farley, CEO of Ford Motor Company, has made it clear the 7.3L Godzilla V8 isn't going anywhere in 2026. That admission wasn't just a casual comment, it was a signal to truck buyers, fleet operators, and engine purists that Ford still believes in big displacement, naturally aspirated V8 power. In an era where V8s are being quietly phased out, Ford is doubling down on one of the most respected modern truck engines ever built. Let's break down why the 7.3L Godzilla is staying, what's changing for 2026, and why experts believe this engine may outlast even Ford's own expectations. Why this announcement matters right now. The automotive world is full of last-of-its-kind engines, so when a CEO openly confirms that a 7.3-liter pushrod V8 will continue into 2026, it immediately raises eyebrows. Experts point out that this isn't about nostalgia, it's about demand, durability, and economics. While electric and hybrid trucks are expanding, heavy-duty gas engines still fill a critical gap that EVs and small turbos can't yet replace reliably. Ford knows this, and that's exactly why the Godzilla V8 remains a cornerstone of its Super Duty strategy. What makes the 7.3L Godzilla special? Introduced for the 2020 model year, the Ford 7.3L Godzilla V8 was designed with one mission: maximum durability with modern efficiency. Key engineering traits experts consistently praise include a cast-iron block built for extreme loads, a pushrod OHV valve train chosen for simplicity and strength, oversized bearings and forged components, naturally aspirated design, no turbos, no complexity. This engine wasn't built to chase horsepower headlines. It was built to run hard, tow heavy, and last hundreds of thousands of miles. Expert insight. Why Ford refuses to kill the Godzilla powertrain. Analysts say Ford's decision is rooted in real-world data, not emotion. According to fleet maintenance experts, the 7.3-liter Godzilla has shown lower long-term maintenance costs than turbocharged alternatives, higher uptime for commercial fleets, strong reliability in extreme heat, cold, and heavy towing cycles. One veteran fleet engineer summarized it simply: "You can abuse the Godzilla every day, and it just keeps working. That's priceless for work trucks." Ford's internal data reportedly backs this up, making it hard to justify discontinuing an engine that customers actively request. 2026 update. What's new? Without reinventing the engine. While the core architecture stays the same, the 2026 Ford 7.3-liter Godzilla isn't frozen in time. Industry sources and supplier reports indicate several subtle but meaningful updates, including ECU recalibration for improved drivability, refinements to emissions control systems, improved cold start behavior, minor efficiency gains without sacrificing torque. Experts stress that these changes are evolutionary, not revolutionary, and that's intentional. Ford's goal is to preserve what already works while ensuring compliance with future regulations. Why Ford chose gas over downsized turbos. Many competitors have shifted towards smaller turbocharged engines for heavy-duty applications. Ford already offers the 6.7L power-stroke diesel, but gas buyers are different. According to truck market analysts, gas HD buyers prioritize lower upfront cost, simpler engines mean easier repairs, naturally aspirated engines perform more consistently under sustained loads. The 7.3L Godzilla fills that role perfectly. It's the bridge between old-school toughness and modern engineering, and Ford knows no turbo V6 can truly replace it in certain jobs. The diesel alternative didn't kill it, it helped it. Ironically, the success of Ford's diesel lineup actually strengthened the case for the Godzilla. Diesel engines dominate long-haul towing and extreme torque needs, but for municipal fleets, construction companies, RV owners, agricultural users, the 7.3-liter gas V8 often makes more sense. Experts say Ford now offers a clear powertrain ladder, and the Godzilla is a crucial rung in that ladder. Reliability. The Godzilla's secret weapon. Ask any engine builder or performance shop and you'll hear the same thing. The 7.3-liter Godzilla is massively overbuilt. That over-engineering has led to minimal internal failures, strong aftermarket confidence, high resale values for trucks equipped with it. Performance tuners also love it, not because it's fragile, but because it can handle serious upgrades without compromising longevity. Why enthusiasts and workers agree on this engine. It's rare for an engine to unite such different buyers. The Godzilla does. Truck enthusiasts admire its raw V8 sound, linear throttle response, no-nonsense engineering. Working professionals appreciate predictable maintenance, long service intervals, proven durability. Experts say this crossover appeal is extremely rare in modern engines, making the Godzilla uniquely valuable to Ford's lineup. What this means for Ford's future strategy. By keeping the 7.3L Godzilla through 2026, Ford is quietly admitting something important. There is no one-size-fits-all future for trucks. EVs will grow, hybrids will expand, diesels will evolve, but big gas V8s, when done right, still matter. Analysts believe Ford is positioning itself as the brand that offers every solution, not just the trendiest one. Final verdict, the Godzilla isn't just staying, it's thriving. The Ford CEO's admission confirms what many insiders already suspected. The 7.3L Godzilla V8 has earned its place. It survives not because of nostalgia, but because it works. It tows, it lasts, it sells, and it keeps customers loyal. In 2026, when many rivals quietly retire their big engines, Ford will still be delivering a naturally aspirated V8 that buyers trust with their livelihoods. And in today's truck world, that might be the boldest move of all.